Today's recipe is about baklava, a very popular and known recipe. Its origin can't be pinpointed to one particular country. The act of layering flat bread with chopped nuts and honey can be traced back as far as the 8th century BC during the Assyrian Empire. What we need for this recipe is 1 pound of nuts of your choice, half a cup of honey, and 50 grams of melted butter. We blend well, then add 1 tablespoon of blossom water. We work with 2 Phyllo pastry at a time and spread generously with butter. Place a rod at the edge of the Phyllo pastry, spread with the filling, and roll till you reach half of the Phyllo pastry. Cut the layer in half and press the phyllo over the rod till you reach half of its size. You can even try doing it without a rod. Spread the finished product with the remaining melted butter. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 30 minutes or till browned, and drizzle with honey and garnish with chopped nuts, and enjoy this delicious recipe either warm or cold.